Welcome to our channel. Here's a simple recipe for green grapes, juice that can be a refreshing and healthy addition to your weight loss journey. Wait! Before starting the weight loss video, I introduce you with Icaria, lean belly juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn weight loss, get Icaria Lean Belly Juice. Smoothies, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video and thumbs up, share, comments, and subscribe my channel.